Right, hello there, good morning. Now we're going to look at 1-2, which is a continuation of the regulations which we were looking at previously. Now here, produce a risk assessment and a method statement in accordance with the relevant organizational procedures and the limits of your daily responsibilities. Okay. Now what this is asking for is asking you to produce a method statement, a risk assessment, is asking you to produce a risk assessment for the job you are presently on. Okay. Now, in some cases you can have a generic risk assessment, something produced by your company. But in addition to that, you need to be sure that you know how to fill in a risk assessment. So one should be done by yourself for the job, again, which you're on. Okay. Now you can also put in a sample of the generic assessment from your company, just to make sure that you have a format and a point from which you have taken knowledge or information from. Okay. Again, you can continue to read this for yourself. It's just a reflection in words as to what I've just previously said. Okay. Now, what do you need to consider before starting work on a new installation? Right, you need to consider risk assessment, temporary supplies for lighting and drilling. Have they been checked? Is the scaffolding appropriate? Is there a safe place for the use of your equipment and some place where they can be stored? Personal protective equipment, is there adequate PPE available? And have you come fully prepared? Storage, before you bring anything on site, is there safe, secure storage? Okay. Access equipment, appropriate ladders, etc. available. Site preparation, is the site clear? Do you have enough room to work safely? You also need to keep in mind safe isolation procedures. Okay. And what I've done here is to draw a simple flowchart to give you the idea as to what it should be and how to approach it. But there are better examples of a flowchart in regards to safe isolation in your on-site guide. So use your on-site guide for additional information. Okay. Let me just go back a little bit. Okay. And I'll just pan across to take in the full text. Okay. And again, you can read this for yourself. Don't need me to read it for you. Okay, thank you.